Oops, sorry, oops, sorry, oh mazrat, oh mazrat, oh mazrat, oh sorry. We normally don't say mazrat. We in Urdu we also say sorry. We never say mazrat. We say sorry. Oh, sorry. We also the same English is the same Urdu. Okay, you can say if you realize the mistake, you can say oh sorry. In Urdu, the same expression oh sorry. If you want to speak like a native speaker, so you have to say oh sorry. But if you want to say uh, you want to say actual Urdu, so you just say oh mazrat, mazrat. But nobody will understand what you are saying because nobody say like this oh mazrat. Everyone, everyone native speaker uh, usually say oh sorry in Urdu. It is the English expression, but we use in Urdu. Okay, like a native speaker, we use oh sorry. Okay.